What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the green screen feature on iMovie, making it super easy for you if you already have a green or a blue screen clip and you just want to make it so that one color disappears and it just completely removes for you. iMovie actually has this built in as a function, and it is super helpful if you're trying to use a green screen. And like I said, you don't have to actually cut it away for every scene themselves. The green screen just automatically translates. So what I'm going to do here is just go onto a random video for sakes of tutorial. You're not going to get much insight from this other than just the green screen itself. But what I'm going to do is go to the point where you want to put this green screen on. You should already have the background set here and then your green screen footage on top of that with the green screen being removed. So I'm just going to go into my camera roll here. I actually don't have a specific green screen footage, but you should be able to get the gist from just this tutorial here. But once you click on it, you see the little three icons that pop up there, and you're going to want to hit the three dots all the way to the right there. And then you can see under this tab here, it's going to come up with a few options, and you are looking for green/blue screen there. Go ahead and click on that. Second one from the bottom there, and it is going to take a second here to load. And once it's in, it's not going to do anything for you, but you do have to tap the color that you want to remove. So kind of a bad example here as it's just a random video, but I just tapped a color in the background there, and you can see that it is kind of removed there, and the footage from before is layering on top, including the black background. It looks really weird right now, but if you did have a green screen, an actual green screen footage, you would just be able to do this seamlessly, and it would easily translate into your video. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, yes, I know this was kind of weird. So if you did have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.